Now, more than 3,000 group cadre officers of the Central Armed Police Forces have moved the Supreme Court, challenging the Central Armed Police Force General Administration Act of 2026. The petition has been filed by officers from across the CAPFs and includes Gallantry Award winners and women officers. The officers have sought judicial intervention against the provisions of the newly enacted law. Sambhav Sharma now joins us. Sambhav, what are the contentions that they are raising over the law?
Well, absolutely. Here the CAPF, Central Armed Police Force officials have moved the top court, the Supreme Court, and what are they challenging? They are challenging the Central Armed Police Force General Administration Act, which was earlier passed by the Parliament and notified in April only, and as per this petition, this particular act will make it harder for CAPF cadre officers to be promoted to the rank to leadership position. And also, this particular act was enacted to effectively negate the earlier Supreme Court ruling. This is what the petition is saying, and that directed exact opposite action to reduce Indian police force officers in the CAPF leadership, and it will make easier for CAPF officials to reach the top position. Now, that was earlier Supreme Court's ruling, which they are quoting in their petition, and around 3,000 CAPF Group A cadre officers have moved the Supreme Court challenging this particular act, legislation passed by the Parliament of the country in April, and as per the petition, it will make harder CAPF cadre officers to be promoted through the ranks to leadership position. Now it is to be seen when the top court will hear this particular petition.